Okay, student, light. Look at this, student. What is the property of light? First one, student, light travels in straight line. Light travel in straight lines. Next one, light travel farther than sound. Third, it can reflect item to eyes. It can reflect item to eyes. And the last one, the shadow is formed when the light is blocked. One more time, the shadow is formed when the light is blocked. Hmm. See then, I think you have to be on the time. See then this one. Light travel in straight line, right? Light travel in straight line. Can you see it? Easy. See then, you can do this experiment by yourself. Use the floodlight. And next is the paper to block the light. Next one, see then. Light travel farther than sound. Light travel farther than sound. See, look at this. Did you remember that if, see then, when you see the thunder, right? When you see the thunder, you can see the thunder first, and after that, you will hear it. Okay, so you see thunder first before you hear it. Do you understand? Okay. Next one, see then. See then the sun can reflect. It can reflect item to your eye. See then it can reflect item to your eye. Can you see it? The light can reflect item to your eye. Next one, see then the shadow is formed when light is blocked, right? See then can you see the shape of the shadow? So it means that if the light was blocked by the tree, right? The shadow, the shape of the shadow will be like the tree or look like the tree. It's similar. See then if teacher change the tree to be known, right? If none stand here, what about the shadow? See then, what about the shape of the shadow? The shape of the shadow will be the tree or it look like none. It look like none, right? See then because the shadow see this is formed when the light was blocked by the item or some object. See the next one. Reflection. Look at this. See then, can you see it? The mountain and this one, you can see the mountain from the water too. Why? See then, why we can see it? Because of the reflection. See then, look at this. According to the law of reflection, right? See then, when the light arrives at the mirror, the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. Again, see then, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. One more time. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Look at this. What is it, student? Cat or dog? It is cat, student. So, can you see it, student? Can you see the reflection from the cat? Look at this, please. This one, student. Is this incident ray, right? And angle of incident. Next one is angle of reflection. Can you see it? I equal to R. I equal to R. Gan, are you here? Hello, Gan.
Yeah,
Okay, Gan, look at this.
yeah.
If I equal to 60 degree, right? What about R? R is
30,
no, see that the same. R is
30.
R is 60 and R is 62. Do you understand, student? Because I equal to R. Do you understand? Yes or no, student? Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay. If I is 40 degree, what about R? Student, R equal to 40 degree too.
40.
Very good, student. Look at this, student. This one we call normal line. Normal line. And this one is incident ray. And this one, student, we call reflex ray. Can you see it? The ray. The ray. And this one is angle of incident, right? and this one is a mirror when it reflects. Look at this then. Diffuse reflection versus clear reflection. One more time. Diffuse reflection versus clear reflection. See, look at this. What is diffuse reflection? Can you see it? It's from the raw surface. The raw surface. See, look at this. It's raw surface. Ah, and this one, see then, is from the smooth surface. From the smooth surface. Mm. Okay. See then, reflection from the surface of the water. Reflections from the surface of the water. Look at this. Smooth water surface, what happens? See then, you can see it clearly, but wavy water surface, what happened? You can see it, but it's not clearly, right? See then, because the water is rough, it means that the rough surface and this one is smooth surface, or wavy water surface. Next one. See then, it is a refraction. Okay, uh, the first topic is reflection. Second is refraction. Okay, so look at this. Why refraction is different from reflection? Look at this then. When the light travel from one medium to other transparent medium, right? Its speed and direction is changed. Non, are you here? Ah, Look at this. Can you see it? When the light travel from one medium to other transparent, ah, it changes, didn't? Can you see it? The light change direction. Next one, didn't? This one we call refraction. When the light travel from the medium, like you see it? This one. And direction will change. See then, what is this? It is a broken pencil? Yes or no? No, see that it is normal pencil, but you can see it because of the water. When the light travel from the air to the water, something changes it in. It changes direction and speed too. Look at the teacher will tell you. See then this one, air to water. This one, it is air to water, right? And refract ray, see then refract ray bend toward the normal line. See then this one is bent from the from this, okay? It's bent toward from normal line, and see then angle of refraction is less than. See then this one and this one. Do you understand? One more time. See then if the light travel from the air to water, the refract ray, see then is bent toward the normal line, and angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. If this one is maybe is 70, this one is gonna be 30. Why? Because it's less than the angle of incidence. This one angle of incidence 70. Okay. Next one, water to air. Water to air. The light will speed up. The light speed up and refract ray. Bend away from normal line. This one. Bend away, right? But this one. Angle of refraction is more than angle of incidence. One more time. Angle of refraction is more than angle of incidence. Let's play the game together. Okay, Non, are you here? Gan, are you here? Fasai, hello?
Yes.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, so you just tell me A and B. What is reflection? What is refraction? Okay. Choice A is reflection or refraction. A, is reflect or refract. The same, if if it have the as incident angle is equal to the reflex ray, right? It's equal, so it's reflection. Choice B is refraction. Choice B is refraction. Do you understand why, because it's not reflect, student, it's refract to the other transparent. Student, this one, reflection or refraction? Reflection or refraction, student? It is, student, it is not a mirror, it is refraction. Look at this, student. Can you see it? Student, if they refract something that is not look like the real or the original one, we call refraction, okay? This one, refraction. Next one, student. Reflection or refraction? It is, Gan, what is it? Reflection or refraction?
Refraction.
Refraction, student, because this one, you see it, you can see the fish like this, right, student? But it's not true, student, because of the light. When the light travel from the air to the water, it's slow, student, it's slow, and the angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence. Student, this one, reflection or refraction? You see, can you see it? Reflection.
Refraction.
Reflection. This one is very easy. Reflection or refraction?
Refraction.
Reflection. Easy, student, and we finish. So it's time to do the exercise, student. Do you want to do it by yourself or you want teacher to help you, student? Okay, student. Page 91, page 91, student. What is this picture about? Reflection or refraction? Easy. It is re reflection, right? Student, just circle it. Okay, circle it. Next one, student. What is the blue line? Give the teacher. The blue line, student, it is incident ray, reflex ray, or normal line. It is. It is incident ray. Next one, student. What is I? What is I in the picture? Student, it's very easy. Can you see it? Which one? It is angle of incidence or angle of reflection, student. Circle it. Angle of incidence. Next one, student. Student, are you ready? I mean that. Did you open the book, right? Page 91. Student, page 91. Are angle of incidence and angle of reflection equal? Are angle of incident and angle of reflection equal? Yes or no? Can, yes or no? It's equal, student. Yes or no? Yes or no? It.
No.
Sure. This one, did you remember that I told you? 60. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, they are. Very good. Student, this one. This one is about the reflection. Okay, the first part is about the reflection, and next one is about the reflection. Student, this one. What are these picture about, student? They are reflection or refraction. It is. It is the
Refraction.
refraction. Very good. Next one, student. How does the light travel in picture one? How does the light travel in picture one, student? It's travel from which one, student? Picture one. Air to water or water to air. It's easy. It is from air to water. Next one, student. What will happen in picture one, student? What will happen in picture one? The light will slow down or speed up. Picture one, the air to water.
Slow
Yes.
down.
Slow down. Very good. Next one, refract ray will bend toward or away. Student, toward or away. Easy, easy. It toward. And the last one, student, angle of reflex is less or more than. It is this one, student, less or more. Picture one, less or more.
Less.
Less. Okay, student, if you finish, right? If you finish, you can send it to teacher. Because teacher assigned already student in the classwork, go to classwork and turn in and upload it. Okay. Okay.